If you are having symptoms like diarrhea and bloating, there is a chance that you are having leaky gut syndrome. Leaky gut is the idea that increased permeability of the intestine allows toxins and bacteria to enter the body, potentially leading to inflammation and other symptoms. Those suffering from leaky gut, there is a bad news for you all. Many doctors and healthcare professionals do not recognize leaky gut syndrome as a diagnosable condition. However, some doctors do found a solution without any medication or surgery. Before that, let's understand more on what is leaky gut syndrome. First things first, for those unfamiliar, let's quickly break down what leaky gut syndrome actually is. Your gut lining is supposed to act as a barrier between what you digest and your bloodstream. When the gut becomes more permeable, substances like toxins, undigested food, and bad bacteria can leak through, leading to inflammation and immune responses. This can trigger all sorts of health issues, from food sensitivities, bloating, fatigue, and even autoimmune conditions. Symptoms will start gradually. If you noticed bloating after meals, inconsistent bowel movements, and overwhelming fatigue that you just couldn't shake, most probably you did what most people would do. By changing your diet, tried intermittent fasting, took all the supplements that are supposed to heal the gut, probiotics, digestive enzymes, you name it. If you are still not feeling much better, despite everything, please stay tuned. We always talk about sleep being vital for overall health, but what about its role in gut healing? You see, the gut and the brain are deeply connected through the gut-brain axis. When we sleep, our body enters repair mode. Hormones like cortisol decrease, while growth hormone increases. This allows the gut lining to regenerate. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to increased gut permeability and inflammation, which is exactly what you don't want if you're trying to heal leaky gut. A doctor with leaky gut syndrome just changes his sleeping habit, from inconsistent sleep schedule to fixed one, from rooms filled with electronics into none, and changed his evening routine to reading and drinking herbal tea to ease sleep. On top of them, he also used techniques like deep breathing and meditation to calm his nervous system before bed. Within weeks, the doctor noticed a dramatic shift. His digestion improved, he had more energy, and the brain fog lifted. And after a couple of months, his bloating and discomfort were nearly gone. He attributed so much of that to getting quality, restorative sleep. The best part? Sleep is free. So if you're struggling with gut issues or just overall fatigue, before you reach for more supplements or restrictive diets, check in with your sleep habits. Your body may just need more time to repair itself overnight. Here are a few more tips to optimize your sleep for better gut health. First of all, try to limit caffeine and alcohol. These disrupt your sleep cycle and can irritate the gut lining. Secondary, eat dinner early, avoid heavy meals right before bed, can give your digestion a break. Finally, try to wind down with relaxing activities, whether it's a bath, meditation, or light reading. Try to calm your nervous system before sleep. In the end, it's not always about the latest diet or supplement. Sometimes the most powerful tool for healing is the one we often overlook: sleep. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into holistic health. Until next time, take care of your body, get some rest, and let the healing begin.